Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today we'll talk about Google Trends and how you can stay on top using this tool. One of the most valuable things for businesses is data. And if that data is something like assessment of your website's performance, conversion rate, return on investment, the trend searches related to your business, etc., it becomes all the more important. While there are so many resources to find the information you need, one tool that comes very handy and also often underutilized is Google Trends. Google Trends has tons of valuable data and it all comes for free. That's right. Let's see how Google Trends can be used for some meaningful insights for your business. Number one, it tells you what people are searching. You can see what people are searching for most in a specific industry. This in turn can be used to create content around these keywords. For example, you have a shoe business and there are a lot of people searching for casual shoes. You can create a lot of meaningful content around casual shoes. This helps your business to figure prominently on search engine when people are searching for it. Let's have a look at it. So first, just Google the word Google Trends. Okay, here we go. Now by default, you will see United States as a country. You can just change to whatever geography you're searching the information for, and for most of our users, I'll select India. Now going back to your example, uh, you have a shoe business and you want to see what other searching trends. So I just type shoe here, Aham. Okay, so you can see the data, you know, up to last 5 years. You can further filter into various categories of your industry, but we've already selected shoe, so I think that's good enough. And if you look at it, so this is the trend of the searches related to shoe, and well, there is a dip starting March, and you all know why, and it's also gradually picking up. So if you are in shoe business, well, this is an encouraging trend because people are searching for shoe. And there's so many information here. You can search uh, what are the specific queries. So what is the name of Puma shoe range? Which country is mentioned below? Shoe pastry. There are so many information related to the searches. Now, shoe is a very uh, generalized or a very generic term. So probably you want to drill down further. So let's say I want to search the difference search between casual shoe, okay, and sport shoe. There you go. Now shoe is a very broad term. Uh, Let me just remove it. Okay, now you see. So the blue lines are casual shoe and the red lines are sport shoe. Now if you are owner of a shoe business and if you're selling shoe, now you know which product is what people are actually looking for. So most people prefer sport shoe compared to casual shoe. So in your marketing and advertising, the prominent thing that should figure is sport shoe. Now this is just an example. So whatever is the industry you belong to, you can use the keywords to see what is the search pattern. This is a very powerful tool and a free one at that, to give you lots of great insights. Now the second thing is it will give you insights of search over time. So you can see what people are searching for most in a specific industry, like we have looked at shoe, for example. Not just find what search terms are trending, you will also be able to track their popularity over time using Google Trends, which means you will know if a topic of interest is here to stay or just a short-lived burst of interest. This feature lets you know what has been popular in the past and what is trending now. So further scroll down, you see interest of shoes based on the geographic regions. So you can focus on that parts of the world or the country where there's demand for your product or for your search term. Okay? And you can see the pattern for the last 4 hours, or you can even search the past 5 years. So even if you go back to the past 5 years, your sports shoe are quite trending a lot than casual shoe. Okay, uh, we can let's go further here. You can use the same. You can just again follow the same exercise to see what people are searching over time. Okay, so what can you do with that? The next thing is you can leverage these keywords for content marketing. Now, whoever said that content is king with respect to marketing is absolutely true. A large part of a company's organic growth success is because of content. Now, Google Trends help you understand what topics are trending and are being searched by netizens. Like we have just seen, just type in a keyword and you'll be able to see a pattern in the search at any particular point in time. You can create a great deal of content using these search words. A relevant content always helps your website to rank higher by the search engines. And the second most important thing is with Google Trends, you'll be able to understand your customers' demands. The keyword research will help you understand market trends for paid search. Understanding if and when there's demand for your business is very important for better planning and making critical decisions related to marketing and advertising your brand. Okay, so just go to Google Trends, search the keywords related to your business, and see how they are trending, what are the topics people are looking for, create a great content around that, or use these keywords in your paid search campaigns. You know, and you can get a great uh, you know benefits out of a little research that you do on Google Trends. Okay, so this is a very short topic today. That's all from us. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.